say to do. This is just a syntax editor. Otherwise, I can say map is a key value pair. Here we need to remember key cannot be duplicate, or in a different statement we can say key is a unique. What is my unique? So it's not duplicated again. You can say whatever point you wanted to say. And second one, value can be of any data type. When I say any data type, it accepts value can be a primitive data type, value can be a collection, value can be a object, value can be a apex class type, values allows duplicates, values allows duplicates. And next one, yeah. So now keys cannot be duplicated, or key always a unique. Okay. Now values can be of any data. When I say any data, in set we are using string, right? The same way map you can say map key comma string, or map key comma list of string, or map key comma map of key comma string. So you can mention however you wanted. There is no such restrictions that you need to use only what is primitive data types here. Date, time, date, right? So generally date, time and date we don't use the keys, that we know very well. And the maximum will be using ID, string and integer. And in Salesforce we also have one more field called ID. What is this ID? Record object ID, right? If you are creating one account, you will be having unique identifier. That is called a data type, which is also unique. And value can be a collection. You know what are the collections available for us? List of data type and set of data type and map of key comma data type, key comma data type. And create can be an object. What are the objects we have? List of S object. What are S objects here? Like your account, contact, and we have invoices as a custom object. Whatever you wanted, you can mention those as subjects. Class can be a apex type means list of, oh sorry, why I'm saying going list, map of ID comma or a key comma I can say key comma a subject, or I can say map of key comma your apex class name. Can be any apex class name, but it should have outer class. It should not be it should be a class. It cannot be a method always or a constructor, right? And list allows duplicate. Yes, I can be duplicated. When I say I can be, for let's say we are playing a game, okay? We are playing a game and all four of us names are different. Isn't this case? Let's imagine we constructed a map using our names in the data type called string, comma, score. Let's say we are playing some game. Randomly, we are playing like let's say PUBG itself. We are in the same team. There can be a chances more than one person can get the same score, isn't it? In a game, is there any chance that more, let's play, we are playing a cricket. Is there any chances that we get the same score? So now we can see, but names cannot be duplicated, right? I'll say Deepak. My score is 0, where I'm very bad at cricket. Map, I'll say some Romeo, Ram, I'll say 10, and I'll say map of Raghav, comma 0. Now, this is allowed because the key is different. When I say, hey, what is the score for Deepak? So I'm saying a key and I'm getting a value. I don't say like, hey, what are the who and all having a 0 scores? That is not possible to get. You need to get, I mean, you'll get only value from map, not a keys based on values. You understood this way? You can get only value if you pass key, but map will not give you a key when you pass a value. Clear? Yeah. Now let's do a real implementation. How can I do that? For set, if you want to add a new element, which element you are using? Add, right? Map of, I'll say integer, okay? Otherwise, it would be nice to use string, comma, score. Okay, score is nothing but a integer, right? Match score equal to new map of string, comma, integer. What is this? What is this? This is constructor. Is this constructor? What is left side? This is a class. Left side is a class and right side is a constructor. When it is a class, so for sure we'll be having a documentations. Now, to get a Salesforce document very handy, you can say